Hello friends, in our previous tutorial we actually saw the demonstration of how to search a particular key into a binary search tree. In this tutorial we will actually code the search algorithm and we will test its working. So friends, in our previous lectures we actually created a class by name binary search tree. We also saw how we can insert a value into a binary search tree. So friends, in this tutorial we will actually code how to search a given key in a binary search tree using recursion. So here first we'll create a method whose return type would be the tree node, and we will give the name as search. This search method will take in the key which we want to search, and inside this search method we'll simply call search by passing in the root which holds the complete binary search tree and the key which you want to search. And we'll again create one more method whose demonstration which we actually saw in our previous tutorial. So the name of the method is search. It will have two parameters. One would be the root of the binary search tree and other would be the key which you want to search. So in this search method, as we are using the recursion, we have to first provide a base case. So our base case would be if root is equal to null or root.data is equal to key, then we'll simply return the root from this method. So here this would be our base case, because this case will help us in getting exit from this recursion. And if root is not equal to null or root.data is not equal to key, then we simply check that whether key is less than root.data or not. So if key is less than root.data, we know that key must be lying somewhere to the left subtree of the root. Therefore we'll simply call the search method by passing in root.left and the key which you want to search, and also whatever is returned from this search method will simply return here. And in else part, if key is greater than root.data, then we know that key must be lying to the right subtree of the root. So therefore we'll call the search method recursively by passing root.right and the key which you want to search, and whatever will be returned from this method will simply return here. So friends, here we are calling this search method recursively by using the binary search tree properties. So there can be a two case where we are actually finding our key, then we are simply returning the root, and if we are not finding the key, then we are simply returning null. So the null signifies that key was not found in the binary search tree. Also friends, we saw the demonstration of this algorithm step by step in our previous tutorial. Now in the main method, let's test its working. So here in the main method, we have created one binary search tree by inserting few values as 5, 3, 7, 1, and then we are simply printing this binary search tree. So if I run the code now, you can see it's printing the value of binary search tree using this in order tree traversal, and it prints 1357. So friend, in this binary search tree we know that it has 4 values 5, 3, 7, 1. So let's suppose we search for value 3. So we'll provide a if block and we'll call the search method by passing in the value as 3. So if this search method doesn't return null, then we know that we have found our value. So we'll simply print on the console as key found. So if I run the code now, you see it prints key found because 3 is present into this binary search tree. Now let's say if we want to search any value which is not present into this binary search tree. So here we'll simply call search method by providing as value as, let's say, 10, and we know that 10 is not present into this binary search tree. So we'll simply print key not found. If I run the code now, you see it printed key not found. So friends, in this tutorial we actually saw how we can code an algorithm to find a key into a binary search tree, and we also tested its working. I hope you liked this video. Thanks, have a nice day.